I know that I haven't been making videos on this YouTube channel for a while, but I have been making videos on Instagram and on Facebook, and I'm making this video because I know that there might be a lot of people right now who are following me who might feel lost, right? And I wanted to make this quick little video to invite you into a free program that I've created. And this free program is called the Life Clarity 5-Day Challenge. And this free program is really for two types of people. Person one is, this program is for the type of person who right now is lacking alignments. And what I mean by that, maybe right now for you, you are in a job where you don't feel totally fulfilled, right? Where you know that deep down that this job is not what you're actually here to do on this earth. Or maybe for you, you're in a relationship but deep down you know that this person isn't your one. This person isn't who you're meant to be for the rest of your life, be with for the rest of your life. Or maybe for you, you have these suppressed emotions, suppressed trauma that hasn't been looked at, and you know that from not looking at it, it is causing you to feel this lack of alignments. So this program is for person number one. Person number two this program is for the person right now who is lacking clarity. So maybe for you, you feel lost in your life. Maybe for you, you don't actually know what you're here to be doing on this earth. You have no idea what you want to do in your career. You have all these passions, or you don't know what your passions are, but you just know that there is something so much bigger out there for you. And you want to be able to tap into that. You want to gain clarity on that, and you want to start moving in that direction. So if that resonates with you, just know that I've been there. I know exactly what it feels like to feel lost in life. If you go back to previous YouTube videos and you type in Matt Cama feeling lost in life, there's a video that I made where I felt that way. I know exactly what it feels like to be there. So that's why I created this free program, to really help people out who are currently feeling lost, who don't know what they want to do with their life, who are feeling this lack of alignment, and it's causing them to binge eat, or it's causing them to scroll through social media mindlessly, or it's causing them to just numb and distract themselves from things that haven't been dealt with. So I created this program for free. So if you want to join this program, I'm going live every single day for the next 5 days in this Facebook group. And I've already made a few videos, so you can watch the replay straight away. And even if you're watching this video a few weeks after me posting this, or a few months after me posting this, you can watch the replay at any time. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can join for free. You just need to put in your name and email, and you can join the group, and you'll be able to be there with me for the next 5 days. So if this resonates with you, go ahead, click the link in the description, and I'll be seeing you all in the Facebook group.